What's up, friends? It's your girl Eve here and welcome to my new video. So today I'm going to be doing a double unboxing for you. So they're both February boxes. It is going to be the ice cream box and the Slay Glam box. Now anything I tell you I've tried is going to be first impressions. I have not tested it out, so I don't know how long it lasts and the performance of it. Now, you know me, I like to get straight into it. We all got shit to do, so let's go ahead and hop into it. So the first one is going to be the ice cream I'm going to be doing. And can I tell you how freaking happy I am? This is the first box that has included a card this month. So we have a card right here, and I paid $25 each box. Now, the first item, I usually start with the palette, but I'm not going to do it because this blew me away. So this is by Candy Chrome Loose Multi-Chrome Pigments by Chicanto, I don't know, Beauty, and you get two of these, and they have a retail value of $24. Now, the first one I tried is what's on the outer corner of my eye right now, and this is the shade Gamma, and this is so freaking cute. It comes in a little candy wrapper. I thought that was cute for being February, Valentine's Day. That was a really cute touch. Now, this is what the packaging looks like. It is a loose pigment. I am praying because this Gamma one is my favorite shade. I don't want to drop it. That's what I'm scared about. So what I did is I opened it up like this, and then I dipped my brush in it in this dome lid over here. I swirled my brush, tap, 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 and then that's when I put it on top of my NYX glitter glue. And I just pressed it in. After I got the pigment I wanted, I just blended the outer part of where I had it. And it is absolutely gorgeous. The second one is going to be the Mirabella. And here's the little candy thing. So this is Mirabella shade. And you can't really tell in here, but I have swatches on my hand. So the top one is going to be the Gamma. And do you see how gorgeous it is? Now the bottom, the Mirabella, I don't think you could see it on camera, but it is really patchy on my hand. So that's why I went for the shade Gamma, because it is gorgeous. Now I did not test this one out, but I would definitely repurchase that one I have on the outer corner of my eye. And that's not bad that you get two for $24. Now let's get into the palette. So it is going to be by Mirabella, and it's the I Love You. And this packaging is so luxe. This is, I buy luxury cosmetics, and this is what I would guess this is by the packaging of it. Isn't that gorgeous? And these scream my shades. Absolutely love it. The pack, how they have the eyeshadow set up, I don't know, it's the most convenient. It's really, really pretty though. So I have not tested these shades out, but it is really pretty. That one is going to have a retail value of $50. So I guess this is pretty freaking luxe. $50 for a palette. So I could see why it's such a luxe packaging, because that is freaking pricey for eyeshadow. Okay, so the third thing is by Dragon Lash Mascara by Queen Studio, and this has a retail value of $18. I have tried a few things by this company. I really like their eyeliner. Their eyeliner is bomb. So trying to see if it says, it doesn't say a color, but this is a black mascara. They always have the same design on their packaging. Here is the wand. Now this is a pretty good mascara. Definitely not my favorite by far, but this is one that you have to take the wand and twirl it up. So that's the kind of wand it is, and it takes a lot of coats. Now this is the mascara I am wearing today, and it took quite a bit of coats. I would say 6 coats to build this up. So that's why it's not my #1 favorite. I don't want to work that hard for a mascara. And not sure if I said it, but retail value of 18 bucks. The next one I didn't think I was going to like. So this is the Heart of Gold by Amuse Cosmetics, and this has a retail value of $5. Now I was watching a few of my friends review this box, and they got a normal color liquid lipstick. And this wand is so freaking tiny. It is it's cute because it's a heart, but it's impractical. It reminds me of kids makeup. So if you look at that, to freaking put your lipstick on, it would take so many applications, it wouldn't be worth it for me. So the cuteness wouldn't work. But I have this on the middle of my lips, and this is a sparkly one, so it is not the lipstick version. I am so glad I got this one because I absolutely love it. I always put a glittery lip gloss in the middle of my lips, and that is my biggest secret, how to make my lips look bigger, because I was not born with big lips, so I try to do little tricks for it to look bigger. And lip liner, I'm not a big fan of. This, I'm a fan of. So I'm glad I got this because I was all ready to hate it. But nice surprise. The next one is a 3-piece brush set. And this is by IBY Beauty. I'm trying to think. I don't know if I've ever gotten their brand before on brushes. But they have this one. And I used it as a highlighter brush. Really pretty. I used it today. This is the Jaclyn Cosmetics one. Here is the other one, and I use this as a blush brush. And then the third one, it's a highlighter brush, but I usually don't like using these, so I didn't even try it. And they always get so frayed out. Look at that. I haven't even used it yet. So really stoked on the two I tried. Dropping something. Didn't I say I was a freaking klutz? But these two I really like. This is probably not going to get used from me. To be honest, I'm going to probably chuck this in the trash. But that is everything I got in my ice cream box. And I am pretty fucking stoked on everything I got. I can't say I hated anything. Now, to be fair, I haven't tried it. But from the people I've seen try it, they say it's excellent quality. And for $50, I hope so. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the Slay Glam. Now, while I'm putting all my stuff away, can I tell you, this freaking box confuses the hell out of me. It is at the end of the month, and I just got this. Just got this. And time I post it, it is going to be the 2nd. So I don't understand why this is taking forever. Is this February or is this March? Because there's lips on here, so I'm guessing it is February. Plus, it's not in the cute purse. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm not dogging what's in it, but I don't understand what's going on with their shipping, because I spend the $24, but then I pay $6 for priority shipping, so it gets to me between 1 and 3 days. Do you not pay for that shipping, and do you have yours already? I'm really interested of when you get yours, because if it's well into March, is it a February bag? I'm just saying, this, I don't understand what this company is doing far as getting these bags out to you. But let's talk about the actual products. And once again, there's no card in this one. So the first one I'm going to start with is, I was really excited by it, but it's by the company L'Oreal. And this is the Scandal palette. I'm telling you, L'Oreal makes one of the best beauty sponges. The same over here. And this is the one I did the other parts of my eyeshadow. So I used Snake over here for my crease. Then I used, where is it? Here it is. Gossip over here. And this one I did towards the inner corner. And then Toxic Vibes over here is in the middle. I blended the two colors together and I just used that in the middle. Now, do I like this? Is it as good as the sponges? I am still impressed by the L'Oreal brand. I wasn't sure if they would be able to pull off makeup because they nailed the sponge, but really happy with this eyeshadow. The next thing, it's just not for me. I didn't try it. I swatched it and I'm like, no, this is not me. I was hoping this was more sheer so I could pull this off, but this is pink. This is pink. Okay, so this is the Okalon liquid lipstick, and wait till you see this. If you like Barbie pink, oh, this is for you. Look at this. I can't get both in there. But do you see how pink this is? Not for me. I'm going to skip that. I'm going to throw this away. Now, this one had a warning on it. This had ethylene glycol, I believe what it was, and it was on the packaging. I threw it away, but it said by California law that this can be toxic and cause cancer. I was so close to not using this because I don't want to put anything on my skin that causes cancer. So just be warned, if you missed that on the packaging, it was on the bottom. So I don't know. Do what you want to do. I haven't made my decision. I tried it one time to see how it was so I can tell you what I thought of it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to continue using it. So this is a blush, and this is the one that you swirl all around. You mix the colors, and the blush is freaking gorgeous. So I'm going to do more research, because the research I saw, they said a lot of cosmetics had this in it, and it's safe to be on top of your skin. You just can't digest it, and then that's what would cause cancer. So I'm not sure, because on your skin sucks everything up. I don't know about this, so I'm kind of iffy on it. The next thing, I have been so excited. I saw a sneak peek from Michelle Martin. She does sneak peeks on this ice cream box. And can I tell you, that girl's channel blew up. She just started and she's already over 1,000. And I'm not even freaking close to that. But she's blown up, and she reviewed this, that we were going to get it, and I have been looking for a red eyeliner. Now, I haven't nailed down the look I'm going to use it on, so I haven't actually used this. But this is by Okalon. That would help to say the name. And this is the Perfect Liquid Liner. And I've used their black liner and absolutely loved it. Do you see that? So I've just been interested. I don't know what it is, what bug got up my butt, but I want to try looks with red eyeliner. Will I make myself look like a fool? That is a real possibility. Okay, so the last item I kind of love and I kind of hate. Let's start with the love part. So this is the Mani Kadar. And if you can see this, this is an eyelash curler. I have a really good one I have been using for years. It is my staple one. I have tried a lot, and the only one I like is by Shiseido. I think I like this more. So this fits over my eye perfectly, and then when you squeeze it, this has this gel stuff that is so freaking comfortable. So squeezing it doesn't hurt your hands at all. This gets a good grip on your eye. It gives a good curl. So I'm definitely going to use this. I am really, really impressed with how the quality is on this. Now, the biggest thing, this may not fit your eye, so you may not like it. So you have to find one for your eye shape, because we don't have all the same eye shape. So hopefully you like it, because if you do, this is a really bomb freaking eyelash curler. If my Shiseido one broke and I had to buy another one, I would purchase this. Hopefully it doesn't come in this pat, because the other item I don't fucking like. But I would buy that separately instead of the Shiseido, and that says a lot, because that has been my favorite for freaking years. Now, the thing I did not like is this mascara over here. I had really good high hopes. I was going to use this instead of the Queen one, because of the brush. The brush is what I usually like. This is what I want my brush to look like. I like to get a lot of volume, so that's the kind of mascara I like. Some are lengthening, some are volume. I like to do volume, and then I get a second mascara, and then I do separating. That's just how I do. But this, I don't know if it's full. I don't know if it's just bad formula. I don't know if it's dry, but nothing comes out here. I went over and I put like 3 coats on and it looked like I did absolutely nothing to my lashes. And I saw some people put water in here. I saw eye drops. I saw all sorts of things they put in here. I don't want to do that. I rather just toss it. I don't want to mix things in here, introduce bacteria, get an eye infection. I'm a big worrywart on that. I always put it on clean eyes, and then soon as it starts looking weird, I toss it. My dad's a doctor. I've seen the nastiest freaking things when it comes to eye infections and other places. So I don't play around with that. Like, I don't share my makeup. When I use it, I toss it. I've gotten gifts of very expensive makeup and they've tried it once and they were like, oh, just spray it with alcohol and it's fine. I'm a germaphobe on that. Absolutely not. Okay, so that is everything in my Slay Glam box. And I'm really stoked with this as well. This I really enjoyed. I just wish that I can figure out what the fuck is going on with their shipping. I'm going to try to reach out to their company and see if they can give me answers. I don't know if it's a new company and they're having troubles with getting a shipping company to get their product out. I don't know if it's their facility. I don't know what's going on, but I am going to try to reach out. So the next time I review their bag, I'll have good news or bad news, but at least we'll have an answer. If they answer me. That is a big if. Now, it is the end of the video, so let's go ahead and end it with all of our favorite time. It is fur baby time. Alright, so here is the Miss Sugar Bear. She is sending all her love and kisses your way. We love you so much. If you stuck around to the end, you guys are fucking awesome. And I'm so lucky to have you as friends. Alright, guys. Bye.